this question regarding brands of cars, we are asked for three things, and I notice that Saturn and Subaru, at the least, are both in A and B. I'll address that in a moment, though. So the first thing I need to do is emphasize how the word union or is used in mathematics. It is an inclusive or. Consider the union of Colorado and New Mexico, or wider union, the union of all 50 states that make up the United States. If someone's right here, then they are in the union, both the union of those two states, or more widely, the United States. If they're in New Mexico, then they are in the union of those two states and also in the United States. So what about that very moment that somebody drives over the border? They're both in Colorado and New Mexico for a moment. Are they in the United States? They sure are. They're in the union of all 50 states. So when crossing the border, they're also in the union of those two states. All right. So looking at the information we were given, I had spotted that Saturn and Subaru were both in the intersection of the sets A and B. Saturn, Subaru, and then we had in the rest of A, BMW, Chevrolet, Saturn and Subaru were already accounted for. And then in B, Honda, Saturn and Subaru, Toyota, and Volvo. The union is all of these. Just like when crossing the border, you're in the union, then you lump everything together. We're going to have BMW, Chevrolet, Saturn, Subaru, Honda, Toyota, and Volvo for a total of 7. And by the way, there were in the universal sets 8 things. So let's take a look. So here are the 7 that I claimed would be in the union of A and B. Saturn and Subaru in the intersection as drawn. And we are missing Ford. Part of the universal set that is not in A or B, i.e. not in the union of A or B. So it's still in the universal set though. So when we're asked for the complement of A, as you can see here, I'm stating Ford, Honda, Toyota, and Volvo. Well, A complements anything that is in A is not in the complement. Anything not in the circle for A is in the complement of A. And we see that not in the same order, but we've got the Ford, Honda, Toyota, and Volvo listed.